Okay, now that you've created your first classroom, let's take a quick overview of what is in the classroom. The page you land on when you start is the stream. You can share announcements with your students here. Um, Here at the top, there's always a place where you can go in and you can type post, and you can post it now or you can schedule them for later. You pick your classroom, which I only have one. You can announce this to all students, and you type your message here, and you can post that. You can also add materials. This is not how you assign work for students. To assign work for students, you move to the Classwork tab. Here's where you can create assignments and questions, use topics to organize your classwork, and you can arrange the order that you want your work to appear in. This is the Classwork page. This is where the majority of your time and your students' time will be spent in Google Classroom, is on the Classwork page. The People tab just shows you the people who are teachers in the classroom and a list of the students in the classroom. And then if you're using the Google Classroom Gradebook, that's located right here under Grades. And all your students and all of their work will show up right here. It will look very similar to a spreadsheet. You can go in and look at individual student work, or you can grade an entire class at one time using the grader in Google Classroom.